Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. So I just wanted to do this short video on Browser MCP. So this is an MCP via which you can automate your browser from inside Cursor or Windsurf, whatever you want. So some of the application for this could be something like, so let's say you are building a MVP and Windsurf just implemented a feature for you and now you want to test it out. So instead of doing it manually and then facing all of the errors yourself, what you can do is you can ask Windsurf to go through the entire flow of the feature that it implemented, and at the same time you could give it access to the different tools that we have inside this MCP, like snapshotting as well as accessing the console log. So what happens is, while it is going through the entire flow, at the same time it will also check the console logs. If it sees a white screen, it will also screenshot it, and everything would be done from inside Windsurf. So this saves a lot of headache and time for you as a vibe coder. So let me show you how you can exactly install it. Super simple. You just have to go to this extension and from here you can add to Chrome. After that, just go here and you can pin it if you want for easy access. Once this is done, let me show you how exactly you can set it up on Windsurf, because that is the IDE I am currently experimenting on, but you can replicate the same workflow for Cursor as well. So let me go to documentation. From here you can see set up the MCP server, and here is a server config. What you have to do is you have to go inside Windsurf. From here you can click on advanced settings, go to add server, click on add custom server, and this this file would open for you. What you can do is you can just copy this part and you can paste it inside this mcp config.json file, and once that is done, this would be set up inside your Windsurf. Yup, it is as simple as that. So yeah, once that is done, as you can see, it is already configured, and these are some of the tools that you get. So for example, you can navigate browser, you go back, go forward, snapshot. So snapshotting works. So for example, if you just build a feature out and then you go onto your UI, super excited that you will see something amazing, and you see a white screen. So the older way of fixing it would be something like, you will just go to that part, you will screenshot it and you will put that inside Windsurf, and if you want to do some more context to Windsurf, then you will open up console logs, and from there you will copy all of the console logs that you get. So the problem with this is it is very inefficient, and that is why I prefer using this MCP for everything. So let me show you a use case, and this is the fun part. Okay, so I already have this local development server running. This is the MVP that I'm currently building for a client. So we can do something like, oh yeah, first you have to connect it. Okay, once connected, now you just have to tell it, currently I'm on the landing page of my MVP. I want you to sign me up for free. And at the same time, if there are any errors, please go through the console logs and also feel free to snapshot anything. At the end of this flow, I should be signed up successfully. So I gave Windsurf this prompt, and when I click on enter, now see the magic. No need for this because we already have it running. See, it just clicked on sign up for free. Now it is, at the same time it is snapshotting and it is sending inside Cursor, so it knows exactly what is happening. Now you'll be able to see that how it is filling up all of the details. My hands are here. So yep, let's see what password it created. Okay, so it created this secure password 123, and this password is really secure also. Majority of the times my password has QWERTY. Okay, so it also clicked on I agree to terms and privacy policy, because that is something which is required, or else the account won't be created. Now let's see if it is able to create the account successfully. Let's go. It was done so fast. You can also see all of the details. Pretty cool. So yes, this is an MCP that you can use while you are building MVPs, and it would really help you in debugging, because as a beginner it might be a little overwhelming for you to go through the console log, and that is where it helps you a lot. So yes, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me down in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.